few of you have asked about my sketchbook that I'm doing the 100-day project in, and so I thought I would share that with you. It's a very affordable way to get a high quality sketchbook. So let me show you. I'll list all the supplies below. I begin with 2 full sheets of paper, folding the first one in half and either folding it back and forth several times or burnishing the edge to create a crisp edge for ripping. I don't measure, I just eyeball this, but that's my style. I then take that half and fold it in half again, burnish the edge, and rip. I do this with the 2 full sheets, creating a total of 8 pages. Then I take those 8 pages, fold them in half, and burnish the edge so that they lay flat. I then marked 4 holes in the side where I'm going to stitch them together, keeping the top and bottom holes about 1¼ inch in. If you don't have a fancy hole punch like this one, you can use a needle, using your first page as a template for your holes on the rest of them. Using wax bookmaker thread, or whatever I have on hand honestly, stitching from the outside in and then back out and tie it off. I do the top 2 holes together and the bottom 2 holes together. You've just created a book signature. If you wanted to take it to the next level, you could do several of these, create a binding, and stitch these signatures into your cover. And voila, you have a nice journal. Enjoy, happy arting.